And there you have it, a nice double espresso latte right in the comfort of your home. Cheers. Happy fall, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Alicia. You guys, today I'm coming with a refresh, makeover, and decor for the fall season. Well, fall or autumn, whichever you choose to call it. But I absolutely love this time of the year, and so let's get to decorating. I'd like to take the time to thank Gardenreet, a company specializing in a lifelong commitment to landscape lighting and to bring the best outdoor lighting experience to your home, you guys. They went ahead and sent me over for my review the solid brass landscape spotlights in the color bronze black, and they sent over a 4-pack, you guys. I absolutely love the color and the finish on them. The product features heavy-duty brass, and it's made of a heavy-duty brass. It is highly resistant to corrosion and weathering. The brushed brass finish looks textured and more beautiful in upscale, and it definitely does. It is a waterproof design, so it features a waterproof O-ring and a waterproof rubber stopper on the bottom. It has an adjustable angle of 180-degree rotation, and it's easy to adjust the lighting angle. You can plug in the bracket and the replaceable LED bulbs very easily, and you can also replace them in different colors and brightness levels. You guys, I absolutely adore these solid brass landscaping spotlights. They have lit up my home so beautifully at night and brought such a beautiful ambience. It is so very welcoming, and it has amazing curb appeal. When I look at my home compared to a lot of my neighbors' homes and living in a rural area, this brightens up the nighttime sky, and you can see my beautiful stonework, how lovely it is at night. You can see the uplighting on it, and it just brings such a mature and beautiful vibe to my outside of my home. So I want to take the time again to thank Gardenreet for sending me over these beautiful upscale spotlights for your home. They have been so kind to provide a discount code. You can enter Alicia10 at checkout, and I'm going to make sure that I leave all of the details and links in the description box below, as well as in the comments and like to know it. Thank you so much for viewing this video, and now let's get back into the fall porch refresh and makeover. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell so that you can be notified next time I do post. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay blessed.